Good morning, everyone. After waking up, I opened the curtains and then the shutters. The biceps pose, yeah. And I went to the kitchen in order to fill my bottle. Don't forget, guys, water intake is very important. After packing my things, I head to outdoor gym. We are close. Almost there. We see the gym right now. It's a little bit crowded, but no problem. But we will train, guys. We will train very good this day. Before starting training, I wanted to hydrate myself, guys. And I recommend you to do the same thing. And after that, I started to warm up. I was doing a little bit of dead man hang. And then some fast pull-ups. Now I started to train. Seriously, guys. Hey, why are you looking at my camera? What's wrong? Without chin-ups, you can develop good biceps, guys. If you want stronger biceps, you have to do chin-ups. For those who want to have good grip strength, guys, you have to combine dead man hang with normal pull-ups. I mean, let's say paused pull-ups. You do 3 reps and then wait a little bit, and then you need to do 3 reps and so on. Hammer grips are also a good way to increase your grip strength. Don't forget this. Now I started to warming up my triceps. I'm still warming them up until I feel the fire inside of my muscle. Now it's the time to do some dips. Let's go! After that, I skipped ropes, and do not forget, guys, if you want to keep your body athletic, you must skip ropes. So that I warmed up my lower body, it means that I can do some squats. Now, this is the real deal. If you want to be explosive in any kinds of sports, you have to do jumping squats, guys. It's really a great way to improve your explosiveness in terms of your lower body. The training is over. Now I need to go home to prepare some breakfast. Let's prepare some breakfast, guys. Of course, the olive oil is the main ingredient here. Look at the pan. I'm spreading the oil with nice movements, nice and relaxed movements. So the meal is ready. 5 eggs, 100 grams of oatmeal and 5 plums, guys. After eating my breakfast, I took my vitamins, of course. And now it's time for some snack. 100 grams of pistachio. And it's time to watch some anime. After watching the anime, of course, I had to search for jobs because I am unemployed right now. Then I was bored and I said to myself, let's go for a walk. The sun is shining, we are positive, we are embracing the vitamin D. And I reached to a natural park that I said to myself, I have to visit it. Because I like the nature, I like the green. So this park was full of groundhogs and I started to follow them. But I couldn't catch them, I wanted to be just friends, but they were running. Look at him. I said to him, come here, let's be friends, but no, they are always running. They are scared of me, I don't know why. So I was sad and I kept walking. And suddenly I started to do push-ups. Yeah! And then I kept walking again. And then I started to feel the nature's power on me. And I started to do squats. And then I kept on walking. Look at this view. I like the nature, I like the trees, I like the green. It's really astonishing. After going out of the forest, I thought that I was lost. I panicked. Then I said, okay, no need to panic. Look at these kids. They are skateboarding. Okay, everything's okay. I went back home because I was hungry. So in today's menu, 105 grams of basmati rice and zombie. A little bit of chicken, between 300 and 350. Of course, it's a classic meal, but it's a good meal, guys.
A few moments later.
So the meal is ready. Let's eat. After the meal, I took my magnesium and zinc. They are really important for sportsmen's health. Then I wanted to play some basketball as a means of cardio. Come on, old lady, you can't pass through the court. You had to pass around the court, but no problem, everything is under control. So the basketball is over. I came home to eat my last meal, maybe to drink my last meal, I wanted to say, because I will prepare a shake consisting of milk, 300 milligrams of milk, banana and whey protein. 1, 2, 3, let's go! Cheers guys, let's taste it. Good. The vlog ends here guys, time to sleep. Thanks for watching and take care.